peas? Or are they beans? Anyways, I'm gonna wash my face and put on these new contacts I got, because I think they're pretty cool. They're colored contacts, also prescription, so I can wear them without my glasses. And that's cool. But we're gonna start with washing my face because it is greasy. How have you guys been doing? I do miss making videos. I really do. It's just not having a spot to myself. It's tough to do that. Tough to keep making content when you don't have space. You don't have room for your own creativity. So it's just gonna have to be on hold for a little while longer. How's that look? I use a foam thing. Melting cleanser, Dr. Melickson. It works pretty good. I like it. It's nice and soft. I gotta get the hairs in the back. There we go. Okay. I feel like I need to blow my nose. Okay. Clean face. Clean face. Feel great with a clean face. What color are we putting on? What color do we have here? All right, so these are Cool Eyes. I'll put it in the description, the link to their website. As to what contacts I bought, I already threw out the box, so I couldn't tell you what they're called. Okay, these are the brown ones, because I want to see what I look like with brown eyes, you know? So let's try this out. I got it. Got it right there. Let's get this baby in. These ones seem a little more floppy than the other ones. I don't know how I feel about this. Yeah, that wasn't gonna work. Was it inside out? Perhaps it was inside out. Sometimes it takes me a minute to get these in. Don't blame me. I'm trying. Doing what I can. Every day. Well, that doesn't look brown. Is that brown? No. Weird. Very weird. Okay. Got them in. I don't know how to feel about these ones. But they look like, what would someone say that color is when they looked in my eyes? What color is that? I don't even know. Only thing about this haircut and having it shaved here and then having the why do I always forget the word? Sideburns. And keep the sideburns growing. Is that every time you wash your face, you get these wet too. Then you're... Yeah. Still getting used to this haircut. It'll grow into something that I have something pictured in my head. Yeah, it'll be good. It'll turn out. Anyways, I hope you guys are well. If you would like to comment to say what's been up with you, I love to read them, of how you all are doing. I am working, but not as much, so I'm getting more rest, which is good, because I was having some major hip problems, back problems. It was bad. It was bad, but we're through that pain. I'm not lifting or bending and doing all those things anymore, so... I'm talking about my job. There was a lot of lifting heavy things and bending over to clean things, and it was just really taxing. Anyways, that's about it. That's about it. I've been eating, sleeping, shitting, going to work, sleeping on the couch. It's all good. The camper is about to be ready for me to move into this summer, spring, summer. I'm going to do everything I possibly can to make it so I don't have to spend next winter on the couch. But we'll see. We will see. Hope you all are doing well. Again, I really do. All right, well, I'm going to wear these contacts today. Thanks for joining me. And we're planting stuff. Vegetables, tomatoes, a lot of herbs as well. Got a bag of our seeds here. It's going to be good. Peace out.